Okay guys, I've done it a lot. I'm making my overnight oats. It's so simple. I know it by heart, but I'm going to show you again. So for mine, it is 1 cup of oats. I have old-fashioned oats in here. So this is going to make 4 when I'm done with it. 4 servings. 1 cup, a heaping cup of old-fashioned oats. I use organic old-fashioned oats. I'm only particular on organic products. Well, I'd love to buy it all if I could afford it all, but I can't, so I don't. So then, 1 cup of milk of your choice, and in this case, I'm going to use almond milk, vanilla flavored. I have Fairlife milk, which is higher in protein, but I'm going to get protein from everything else I'm putting in. Now it's going to get a cup of Greek yogurt. This is the difference. That woman Grace's that I posted a few weeks ago doesn't have any yogurt in it, and hers was running to me. I like mine. I just have been making these now, all different flavors. You've seen me do pumpkin pie spice, apple pie spice. You've seen me do cappuccino, tiramisu I've called them. That's a cup of Greek yogurt, and it's whole milk Greek yogurt. I want the fat. The fat keeps you more full. I'm not counting calories and all of that yet anymore. I'm not trying to lose more weight. I'm just trying to stay the same and eat healthy. So to this, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, which is more protein. So everything I do, I'll post the photo. You do what you have in the house. Now I'm going to make mine do what I have today I want to use, okay? So whatever fruit you have, whatever flavor you love. If you don't like blueberries, don't put blueberries. If you like pineapple, make them pineapple coconut. Make a pina colada one. This is Flavcity's strawberry protein powder. It has collagen and whey protein. When I do Flavcity, it's 1 scoop. 1 scoop of protein. If I'm doing Premier Protein, I use 2 scoops because that's how you get 30 grams of protein with Premier Protein. Then you just mix this together. And I'm going to add my fruit after I have everything incorporated. So I use strawberry, but you could have used vanilla. I have coffee flavored protein powder. So I've done that with sugar-free chocolate chips. The chia gives you protein. The milk, if you use Fairlife or whole milk, you're getting protein. I used almond milk. The protein powder gives you protein, and the Greek yogurt gives you protein. So my recipe, I feel like the oats thicken up just right. Now I just washed this whole pint of blueberries, and yep, they're going in. So mine is going to be a strawberry blueberry chia seed overnight oat. What do you think? Would you make it? Can you see it? It's the thing about Flavcity, it's expensive, but they are top quality ingredients. So now my goal is, that's mixed, that's done. That's why I said this is not an exciting, especially if you've seen me do it before. But in the summertime, you eat these cold. Everyone always asks me, heat them up. No, I do not. I eat them cold. A lot of people can't get past eating oatmeal cold. The whole idea of overnight oats is to have them swell up. Let's see. I'm going to try to make 4 even servings into these dishes. We'll see how I do. I love these little temptation cups for this. That's really probably the only thing I use it for. So you get blueberries, you get chia, you get yogurt, you get protein powder, you get oats. So you got fiber, you got collagen in his protein powder at Flavcity. And I go back and flatten them out and see who needs more. That's my whole recipe, guys. I just made myself 4 healthy breakfasts or snacks. I do these sometimes at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But since I have the banana bread, that's usually my 3 o'clock in the afternoon snack. These have a awesome lid that's put on to make them airtight. And I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 delicious overnight oats. Recipe, I will post it in the end in my comments. Check the comments. Everything's cooking around here. What are you guys doing today? I'm almost done. I think I am almost done. I have some salad to make, coleslaw to make. That's it. And then I have stuff for the week. This is how I roll. You're probably sick of seeing overnight oats, but honestly, The last time I posted Grace, Nutrition with Grace, which if you don't follow her and you're looking for great things, follow her. Her recipe was good, I ate it, but I like this better. So tell me what you think. Tell me, I know some of you have made it because you guys have already messaged me. I'm gonna post it, but remember, shake it up. Put chocolate chips, put nuts in it, put apples, put whatever seasonal thing. I might do a tropical mango one day. I haven't done that yet. We'll see. That's it. Have a great day.